Have you ever found yourself needing to make a payment but all you had was your trusty checkbook, only to realize you're down to your last few slips? It's a moment of minor panic, right? Well, don't worry, because today we're diving into exactly how you can easily order more checks with TD, ensuring you're never caught short again. Think about it. In a world of digital transactions, checks might seem a little old school, but they still hold significant value for certain situations. Whether you're paying rent, sending a gift, or handling specific business transactions, having a reliable supply of checks can be incredibly convenient. TD, being one of Canada's major banks, offers several straightforward ways for you to replenish your check supply. They understand that while technology has advanced, the need for physical checks persists for many of their customers. So, let's explore the different avenues you can take to order your next batch. One of the most convenient methods is through TD's online banking platform. If you're already set up with online access, ordering checks is usually just a few clicks away. Simply log into your TD Easy Web account. Once you're in, navigate to the Account Services or Order Checks section. The exact location might vary slightly depending on updates to the platform, but it's typically found within the services related to your bank accounts. Once you've located the check ordering option, you'll likely be presented with different check styles and options. You can usually choose the number of checks you want to order, ranging from a standard pack to a larger quantity. You might also have the option to personalize your checks with your address and other details if you haven't already. Review all the information carefully to ensure everything is accurate before proceeding. The online system will usually display the associated costs for the check order, including any applicable fees and shipping charges. Once you're satisfied with your selections and have reviewed the costs, you can submit your order. You will typically receive a confirmation email with an estimated delivery time frame. Another convenient way to order checks is through the TD mobile app. If you prefer banking on the go, the app offers similar functionality to the online platform. Simply log into your TD app, navigate to your account details or the services menu, and look for the option to order checks. The process is generally very similar to ordering online, allowing you to select your check style, quantity, and review the costs before submitting your request. If you prefer a more personal touch or have specific requirements, you can also order checks by visiting a TD branch in person. A friendly TD representative will be happy to assist you with your order. They can walk you through the different check options available, answer any questions you might have, and process your request directly. This can be particularly helpful if you have a more complex order or need clarification on any aspect of the process. Finally, for some accounts, you might also have the option to order checks by phone. You can call TD's EasyLine telephone banking service, and a representative can guide you through the ordering process. Be prepared to provide your account information for verification purposes. Regardless of the method you choose, remember to have your account information readily available when placing your order. This will help ensure a smooth and efficient process. Also, be sure to factor in the delivery time when you're running low on checks, so you don't find yourself in a bind. So, whether you're a digital native or prefer a more traditional approach, TD provides multiple accessible ways for you to order your checks. Choose the method that best suits your needs and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with having a fresh supply on hand. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.